Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Developer Tools now. Press F12 or Control plus Shift plus I. Once open, switch to the Sources tab so you can control script execution. You need access to the settings and to the file list. This is where you'll pause and map scripts. Make sure to keep the panel visible and docked so you don't lose focus. From here, you're ready to take the first actionable step. Disable execution or block specific script files using the tools I'll show next. Once you're in Sources, locate the script file you want to stop and right-click to block its request URL. That prevents future loads. Alternatively, add a breakpoint on a top-level function to halt execution immediately, then use the play/pause controls to step through and confirm nothing runs. Make sure to reload the page after blocking to test. If you need a temporary global halt, toggle the debugger's pause button. This gives you control over complex middle steps and lets you inspect state safely. To finish, reload the page with cache disabled so blocked requests won't be served from cache. Hold Shift while clicking Reload in most browsers. Confirm functionality and then, if you're done, remove any blocks or breakpoints to restore normal behavior. If the site breaks, check the console for errors and undo the last block you added. Often a single block dependency causes the issue. If problems persist, re-enable scripts and identify the minimal script to block or adjust, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.